So if you can survive a zombie apocalypse, you will do well with the girls in the Philippines.
Yes, very much.
Hey gang, I'm here on Boracay Island in the Philippines, and today I want to answer a question that many men are curious about. Is Boracay a good place for dating as a foreigner? Maybe as a Canadian like myself. For you Filipinos, I'm not sure what your dating lives are like, but mine right now, I'm a little bit lonely. So I'm gonna go out and talk to some Filipinas and ask them if they've ever dated a foreigner, and find out why or why not, and just see how friendly are the girls here on Boracay. Let's go. But first I need to buy some flip-flops. Oh no, I don't need the plastic, it's okay. Because I don't want the whales to choking on it, yeah. So I got some new flip-flops, $2.50. I'm gonna wear these at the beach so I can get my suntan and look beautiful. Here's one of the side streets, the local side streets here. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Perfect, good deal, okay. Oh, it looks like there's a market. Oh, you gotta watch where you're going. I always wondered where the Filipinos got their fruits and vegetables, because there doesn't seem to be any fruit or vegetables in any of their restaurant food. But here you can see we've got some beautiful fish right out of the ocean, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. We've got what looks like bok choy, whatever that is, and we have some giant peppers, tomatoes. Hi, beautiful tuna.
Yeah. 500, only 1 kilo.
How much? 100 for 1 kilo?
500.
500. Oh, I see.
You can buy fish in the cook.
Oh, you buy the fish here and then you cook it over there.
Yeah.
How many kilos is this?
Only 1 kilo.
That's 1 kilo for 500 pesos. That's a good price.
Okay.
Well, how much is this one?
Marlin.
Oh, that's marlin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I can eat a kilo of tuna today. So anything you buy here, you can barbecue.
Yes.
How much do they charge to barbecue?
250, 1 kilogram.
Per kilogram. So I could buy a kilo of tuna for 500, barbecue it for 250, so that's about 750 pesos for a great big piece of tuna. Tell me if that's a good price, Filipinos. Mussels. Oysters and mussels. These are mussels, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful mussels. Wow, and those are oysters. 100 per kilo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, there's the prices. So are those good prices? I don't know. I think it's all from the ocean here. Boracay is really small, and if you want to get around, these are called E-Trikes. They're electric scooters, and you can get anywhere on the island for 25 or 50 pesos, so less than $1. And all you do is, if you want to get one, you just wave at them. You just give one of these and they stop, and you hop on. And don't ask them how much, because if you ask them how much, they say 100, 200, 300. But if you just get on and you know that if you go one zone, it's 25. If you go 2 zones, it's 50. That will save you a lot of money, because I made that mistake. How much? And then they say, oh, 100. And me being a dumb foreigner, you know, I pay it. People go, oh, it's only $1. Yeah, well, I've been traveling for over a year, so those dollars a day add up. So you want to find the local prices and learn how to negotiate, or get the local prices if you can. It'll save you a lot of money in the long run. On Boracay, you have a lot of these upscale, sort of classy, gluten-free, all-natural restaurants and cafes where you can get coffee. You know, very nice places. And then if you just go across the street or down any random alley, then you'll find very local places with pretty good prices on food too, more buffet style Filipino foods. And of course we have barbecues. Everybody's getting ready for the night. Hi. You're getting ready to have barbecues, and then you have all of your tourist trinkets and whatnot. So now I'll take you down to the beach. And show you what it's like in the the main tourist, the most touristic area of Boracay. It's really busy down here today. There are all kinds of tourists, a lot of Filipino tourists. Oh, this guy's hiding. You can't hide from the GoPro. It's impossible. The Filipinos are shy when they see a vlogger walking around with a GoPro. But they can't hide. It's impossible. And here's a lot of beautiful Filipinas. What is this building? Laundry? No, I'm talking, ask you, it's laundry? Oh, what is it? Do you speak English?
Sir, roll up, sir, for the Carmela.
What is it?
Roll up of the Carmela, sir.
It's a hotel. Oh, okay. They're shy. They're shy about being on camera. Does anybody want to talk to me? Does anybody want to be on YouTube? Yeah, if they want. No, they're running away. What is this building? Hotel? La Vita. I really want to interview some of these girls, but every time they see me, they're running away. And here's a bunch of the activities that you can do here on Boracay. So we have raw sailing, parasailing, jet skiing, banana boats, the UFO boat.
For how many people?
Just one?
Only 1,500.
Only 1,500. So only 1,500 pesos. You can go helmet diving.
For the video picture.
Oh, for how long?
20 minutes.
For 20 minutes. It's annoying to him that I ask all the prices and then I don't buy anything, but I'm showing you guys, I'm showing everybody who's curious about the prices here on Boracay, what things cost. And of course you can usually negotiate, but it's the most popular island in all of the Philippines, so of course it's going to be more expensive than anywhere else in the Philippines. But you have a lot of activities here and it's a beautiful place. I'll show you the beach now. The famous Boracay beaches. And as you can see, it has very blue, very green water. And there's a lot of tourists, but there'll be more later. You can see it's just packed with boats, you know. We got parasailing, party boats, tour boats. And right now the water is very, very green because there's a very high algae content. The algae, for some reason, or I don't know if it's a plankton or an algae or what it is, a seaweed, but it's really high right now, so the water is not very nice. You can see it all piled up right here. And I asked some of the locals and they said that's just the time of year it is. You can see this stuff, it's in the water. Smells good. It smells like seaweed, of course, because that's what it is. But once you get out past the seaweed, it's beautiful blue water. I found some real Filipinos who have agreed to do an interview. First, I want to tell you my joke I made. I made a joke, okay? It's a riddle.
Joke?
A riddle.
Riddle.
A riddle, okay? So, what tastes delicious?
Tastes delicious.
It makes you very happy.
That makes me very happy.
It can fly.
It can fly.
And when you catch it, it can hurt you.
Sorry, Del. Sirit.
Okay, a Jollibee.
That's very connect.
I wrote that.
No.
Oh, she doesn't like it. You like it?
Yeah. So good. Yeah.
So where are you all from?
From Pampanga, Fernando.
Pampangas.
Yeah.
And is this your first time in Boracay?
No.
How many times you come to Boracay?
This is my second time I came here in Boracay.
Second time?
Yes.
And for what do you do at home? Are you working?
I'm not working, I'm just a student. I'm graduating student.
And how do you all know each other?
We're classmates and friends.
First year.
Yeah.
First year at university?
Yes.
What do you study?
Hospitality management.
This is the future of your country, the hospitality
Yes.
experts.
Yes.
Here's a question, because many people come to the Philippines for dating, to meet a Filipino girlfriend, yeah?
Yeah.
Have any of you ever dated a foreigner?
No.
Not
Just
yet.
for OJT.
What's OJT?
On the job training.
Oh, you date a foreigner for training on the job?
No, we're working here. We're here to work.
Oh, there's many Filipinos here for making money, huh?
Yeah.
For working.
But not for us.
So you're not allowed to date the customers.
Yeah, we don't date.
We're not allowed to.
And this is
We have money.
and you're dating?
No.
Not yet.
No.
Okay, well thank you for the interview.
Yeah.
You're welcome and welcome to
Bye.
Philippines. Enjoy the Philippines.
Yeah,
Enjoy the Philippines.
we will. So one of the things I don't like about very, very touristic places like beaches, beach resorts all over the world is that you walk through these suckers alleys, I call them, and they're actually pretty chill right now, maybe because I'm filming, but you know, you've got ladies offering massages and people selling tours. Oh, that's a tour.
Island hopping today?
Island hopping. Not today, boss. Thank you.
Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, I already, I'm busy. Yeah. And so you'll get someone asking you for a tour or a massage. Oh, massage. Thank you. Every 10 feet. Every 10 feet. Right now it's pretty chill, but normally I can't go 15 feet down this strip without being asked 10 to 15 times, hey, do you want to go on a boat tour? Hey, do you want to go on a party boat? And I get it because that's how they make their living. But when you're just coming to a place to enjoy a relaxing beach vacation, it's super annoying to just be asked the same question over and over and over.
Hi, vlog.
Hi.
Welcome to my guy.
This is your shop?
Yes, sir. It's ramen. You want to
Ramen. Kung Fu ramen.
Yes, sir.
Do you know Kung Fu? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
You come in.
Okay, I ask you girls a question.
Yes, sir.
Would you ever date a foreign man?
No, sir. Not.
No? And you?
No, sir.
Why not?
I don't.
They prefer the Filipino men.
We are so young and I don't know.
Oh, you're so young.
Yes.
How old are you?
18.
Oh, she's only 18. Maybe in 5 years you have a chance. Sorry, guys. Thank you. I don't want ramen right now, but maybe later. It looks good.
Later, sir, come back.
Here, to Kung Fu
What's
ramen.
your name in your page?
Tony Travels. No chance with her, guys. So, yeah, the people, they're being rather polite because I have my camera. But they'll actually come in front of you and hold their sign right in your face. So you're trying to walk, and they get in front of you and they're like, come eat my ramen, come eat my grilled barbecue, take my boat tour. And so it's like running a gauntlet. If you want to avoid all the touts, the best thing to do is walk along the beach side. Then you won't get bothered as much. But you can see, you know, it's a beach town. So you've got bars, you've got fruit shake stands, you've got massages, boat tours, all the usual stuff. I've been to so many now, like, not to brag, but I've been to hundreds of beach resorts, beach towns, and they're all kind of the same. I'm so jaded, like I'm pretty bored of these places. That's why I like to go on adventures off the grid to random small towns and interact with and like get drunk with locals in back alleys. But you guys don't watch those videos. People only watch the videos when I show pretty girls or danger or something, or if I'm in a mainstream place like this, you know, then everyone's watching because they're googling what to do in Boracay or dating in Boracay. It is what it is. Here I have an interview with a real Filipino dog. Where is he from?
We don't from Manila. It's a Doberman. His dad is actually from Canada.
He's from Manila, that's all we know.
His dad's from Canada.
His dad's from Canada.
Yeah.
I'm from Canada too.
Maybe you're related. Maybe you're related.
He's a lot better looking than me though, I think. And how did you, or he's your friend, where did your friend get him from?
We're not sure. We're actually dog sitting.
I want to ask you girls a question. So, you're from the Philippines. Have you ever dated a foreigner?
I have.
You have? And how did it go?
Well, we're not together.
Guys, they're not together anymore, so you have a chance if you come to Boracay. Well, how long are you here for?
Just until Monday.
It's a vacation. So what's it like, the difference between dating a foreigner and dating a Filipino?
Well, a lot of Filipino men are actually very spoiled. And we all grew up with a nanny.
So I like how foreigners are very good with their hands. Like they know how to do plumbing, work around the pipes, and electrical work. And I just feel like generally they have more experiences that makes them an interesting person.
So what do the Filipinos do for work if they're not using their hands?
You will not sit today.
They just don't work.
We just love asking people to do labor for us.
I see.
And I feel like it's very sexy when you can get stuck in a zombie apocalypse together.
So foreign guys in a zombie apocalypse know how to take care of business. So if you can survive a zombie apocalypse, you will do well with the girls in the Philippines.
Yes, very much.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
It's Kiki.
The local tourists here have invited me to a salsa festival.
Yes, come with.
And so I'm going on an adventure. We're gonna go do some bachata and some salsa.
Bachata.
And these are your friends?
Some of the dancers. She's one of the best dancers in the Philippines. Her
You're
name's
one of the-
Ethel. Joking.
So
He's a
are you on
vlogger from
Philippines
Canada.
Top Talent?
Yeah. She's a dance instructor. Second to the top.
I met some stars.
Modest.
Okay, let's go. Let's go check it out. The key to a happy life is to say yes. Say yes to everything except heroin. Don't do that.
Look at this. Show what you got.
Okay, let's see this. A real Filipino Filipino treat.
Tapioca.
With tapioca.
Yeah,
What is it? Mango?
it's mango shake with tapioca balls.
Delicious.
Yeah, that's right.
Aroy. What's the word for delicious in the Philippines?
Masarap.
It's so masarap.
Yeah, it's in Filipino. And then if you do the local language here, they say lamit.
Lamit.
Yeah.
It's masarap and lamit.
Namit.
Namit.
Namit, yeah.
Here we go. We're going to the salsa. Are you salsa dancers too?
A little bit.
You're learning, huh?
Kind of new, yeah.
Yeah. So this is Chachas, and this is where the salsa event is going to be, or the Afro dance party. Here it is, the Boracay Latin Dance Festival, and that is now. That is today. So, look, just be social. The Philippines is a very easy place to make friends. And Boracay is a adventure-filled wonderland. Taiwanese food was so amazing.
It is a lot of street food in Thailand, so you must.
It's like Japan is here, and Thailand is here, and China is here, and then Taiwan is right in the middle.
Yeah.
And it's got all of the. And here's a question: is Taiwan China or Taiwan?
No, Taiwan. Only Taiwan.
I told you.
Not part of China. No.
Only Taiwan.
Yeah. When I made in Taiwan, and when I made a video in Taiwan, and I put it on YouTube, and I said Taiwan is not China, and all the people were so angry. I said, hey,
They are Chinese.
The Chinese will be angry, but Taiwanese will. Yeah, we're Taiwan.
If I go as a foreigner to Taiwan, can I find girlfriend there? They
Yes.
like Canada?
Yes.
Definitely. Definitely.
Bye bye.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Tony.
Ruby.
Ruby.
Yeah.
Ruby Soho. Do you know that song?
Yeah, I know.
Ruby, Ruby,
Yeah.
Ruby, Ruby Soho.
I know.
Ruby, Ruby, Ruby. Destination unknown.
And Mina.
And Mina.
Yeah.
And Evan. I always end up walking way further than I should and end up in the middle of nowhere. Alright, so I hope that answered your question. How hard is it to get a date on Boracay for a foreigner? I don't know if it's always that easy or if I just got lucky, but I made a group of new Filipino friends and we're going to hang out here on this beautiful beach.